there, business lovers and lovettes. It's your favorite marketing guide, Henri Bot from Ready Aim Digital Marketing. Let me ask you something. If the word free makes you nervous in business, I understand. Usually it means hidden fees, fine print, or emotional damage. But today, we're talking about 6 legitimately free Google tools that can make running your business easier, starting immediately. And the best part, you might already have access to them. So let's save you time, reduce stress, and make your business run smoother. Tool number 1, Google Voice. If you're still using your personal phone number for business, we need to talk. Google Voice gives you a dedicated business number that can ring your phone, computer, or tablet. How to use it? Step 1. Go to voice.google.com or the Google Voice app on your cell phone. Step 2. Pick your number. Step 3. Connect your devices. Done. You can also screen calls, send texts, create voicemail transcripts, forward calls and transcripts, forward calls. And transcription is amazing because guessing voicemails is a hobby no one asked for. Tool number 2, Gmail. And, not just for sending emails. Gmail is quietly one of the most powerful organization tools you have. How to use it smartly. Create labels like leads, clients, invoices, urgent. Then use filters so emails sort themselves. Because digging through your inbox like it's an archaeological site is not a productivity strategy. You can even create a professional email like hello@yourbusiness.com, instant credibility boost, and having a Gmail account opens you and your business up to many more useful Google options. Tool number 3, Google Drive. If your desktop currently looks like digital confetti, Google Drive is your new best friend. How to use it? Create folders for contracts, marketing, client assets, financial docs. Everything is searchable. And cloud-based means no panic when your laptop decides to take an unexpected vacation. Tool number 4, Google Calendar. Simple tool, massive impact. How to use it? Block time for deep work, calls, marketing, admin, and please schedule breaks. A burnt-out business owner is not a marketing strategy. You can also send booking links so clients schedule themselves. Less back and forth, more sanity. Now let's talk about a tool that makes you look instantly more professional. Google Meet. Because nothing says growing business like sending a real meeting link. Instead of texting, call me maybe. With Google Meet, you can host secure video meetings directly from your browser. No complicated downloads, no tech headaches. How to use it? It's simple. Step 1. Go to meet.google.com. Step 2. Start a meeting. Step 3. Send the link. Done. Why business owners should use it. You can use Google Meet for client consultations, sales calls, team meetings, discovery sessions, project updates, and here's a pro tip, turn your camera on. People trust faces more than voices. Unless you're calling from the gym, maybe finish that workout first. Finally, my favorite Google tool, if you didn't guess, is YouTube. Yes, the very platform you're watching this on. Fun fact, Google purchased YouTube back in October 2006. So when you post helpful videos, Google notices. Business owners search YouTube every day for answers. Why shouldn't they find you? How to start? Don't overthink it. Start with videos that answer common questions. Perfection is optional. Visibility is not. So let's recap your new free business toolkit. Google Voice, smarter communication. Gmail, organized inbox. Google Drive, secure files. Google Meet, professional video meetings. Google Calendar, controlled schedule. YouTube, powerful visibility. These tools reduce chaos without increasing expenses. And in business, fewer headaches is always good for revenue. If you'd like more help simplifying your marketing and growing your business with a common sense approach, check the links in the description below. And if this video helped you even a little, like, share, subscribe for more practical marketing guidance. This is Henri Bot from Ready Aim Digital Marketing. Bye for now.